Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. So first, open your Snapchat. And then from here, you'll need to select Effects. So we just need to go up until the end, and then you'll see an option to explore lenses. Tap on the magnifying glass icon and then search for Ask Me Anything. Right here it is. So just tap the second one in here. And then it will show us this one. Just need to start doing the video and send it to your story, and that's how you do Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.